Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Excel sheets on your phone. Accessing your spreadsheets on the go is incredibly convenient, whether for quick edits or reviewing data. We'll cover the essential methods to ensure you can view and manage your Excel files directly from your mobile device. This includes using dedicated applications and leveraging cloud storage solutions for easy access anywhere. The most straightforward way to handle Excel files on your phone is by using the official Microsoft Excel mobile app. Simply download it from your App Store. Once installed, you can open any existing spreadsheet, whether it's saved locally or in a cloud service. The app provides robust features for viewing, editing, and even creating new workbooks, making mobile productivity simple and efficient. Cloud storage is a game changer for accessing Excel on your phone. By saving your files to services like OneDrive or Google Drive, you can open them from any device with an internet connection. This also allows for real-time collaboration and ensures your latest changes are always available. You can even access and make minor edits to your spreadsheets directly through a mobile web browser. To keep your data safe, always use strong passwords and enable two-factor authentication on your cloud accounts. For uninterrupted access, remember to download important files for offline viewing when you know you'll be without internet. Also, for more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, make sure to look at the link in the description below. These practices ensure both security and convenience for your mobile Excel experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.